Alright, so magandang araw ho sa inyo. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ito pong Mutya ng Palawan o 2025. Nakakagulat po kasi yung Q&A nila, abay, akalain mo, impeachment tungkol sa impeachment yung nilalaman. Oh, eto ha. Ito yung tanong doon, sabi rito, and shoutout kay Joey Ray Dagsa. Sabi rito, Mutya ng Palawan 2025 Top 5 Final Q&A. Question: one of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed. So isa raw po sa mga mabibigat na mga usapin na kinakaharap ng ating Senado ay yung impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. So yung iba naman daw po, paniwala nila dapat daw i-prioritize ng Senado yung mga yung urgent, yung mga agaran ng mga legislative matters, yung pending bills nila. Yan, tapusin nila. So, samantalang, ito nung June lang po ito samantalang yung iba naman daw po, sabi nila, dapat mauna o dapat daw po magtuloy ang impeachment proceedings. Sabi. As it is constitutionally mandated, what is your stand on this issue? Sabi. Should the Senate focus on its legislative functions or should it still proceed to the impeachment trial, and why? Hanip the Q&A. Ang lupit. Eto ho naman yung sagot. Yan o.
Of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why? Once again, one of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is it must proceed as it is. The Senate focused on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
One of the pressing issues today is indeed the case of our Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. And my stand on this issue is that the government should focus on pursuing this impeachment trial, because I believe that a leader must lead with integrity, honesty, and transparency. And I do think that our current Vice President Sara Duterte didn't show any of these characteristics. As a youth, I promote that we should be the future leaders of our community. We should vote for what is right, and we should stand against corruption. Thank you.
Ang galing ng sagot, di ba? Ang galing. Alam niyo, kung lahat ng mga kabataan ganyan ang mga paninindigan no? Napakaganda ngayon, ito po yung ibang mga kasama niya.
On 2025 Top 5 Final Question and Answer.
All right. President of the while others argue that the impeachment trial. I'd like me to repeat the question for you.
Yes, please.
All right. One of the pressing issues.
It is really a critical question, but I do believe that as citizens and as a citizen of the Philippines, I believe that we should focus more on the legislative matter. But because this is democracy thrives when people takes its part. And I do believe that when we focus more on what truly matters, on what's going on in our world, rather than the impeachment, we should first focus on what should we do. What does really matter? What is really the issue here in the Philippines? And aside from that, of course...
So ayaw niya ng impeachment. No, yung legislative matter daw.
We should balance how we should solve that problem in our government, because our government should have the integrity. The leaders of this world we depend on the leaders of this world. So rather, when we focus on this legislative matters, rather than focusing on the impeachment, then we can have a more progressive society, but rather balancing between the two. So we need to choose first. As we assess that, we can ensure that we can have a progressive society.
so much. All right. Your question is, what?
Mga bata. So, I stand.
Or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
Okay. So, I stand on the issues of the leaderships is yung mga batang walang kaalaman at nag-aaral lang po sa liblib na lugar. Dapat po bigyan natin sila ng pansin, lalo na ang edukasyon po, ang pag-asa, or ang education is a foundation of a strong nation. Kaya po naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Ang layo ng sagot ni Butchana Cuyo. Lahat sila pare-pareho lang yung tanong tungkol doon. Ano ang paninindigan mo? Dapat bang mag-focus ang Senado sa pressing issues? At gampanan yung kanilang legislative functions para matapos yung mga bills na yan? O tumuloy sa impeachment? Kasi pag impeachment, focus talagang attention nila doon eh. So sa kanya, napakalayo ng sagot. Ito.
Is yung mga batang walang kaalaman at nag-aaral lang po sa liblib na lugar. Dapat po bigyan natin sila ng pansin, lalo na ang edukasyon po, ang pag-asa, or ang education is a foundation of a strong nation. Kaya po naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Butchana Cuyo.
Carefully. One of the pressing issues facing the Senate issue. Should the Senate focus on one of the pressing issues?
For me, we should proceed to impeach the trial because we cannot have a country that is okay when it comes to our government. If we surpass one problem, we should focus one by one and not focus only one. We need to focus on every issue and shouldn't surpass anything, or that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Merong ang gusto niyang puntuhin dito, ano dapat daw para ma-surpass natin, malampasan natin yung mga pressing issues na to, diba? Dapat daw mag-focus one at a time. Yun ang gusto niyang puntuhin. Maganda sana yung gusto niyang sabihin. Ang problema, nag-trying hard siya sa pag-i-English. Ayun, bumalentong ang confidence ni Ateng. Biglang, yun lang po, salamat po. Sana Tagalog na lang. Di ba? Ay nako. Ito, definitely talo na yan.
And on this issue, should the Senate focus on its legislative function or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
Good evening, everyone. As a daughter of Palawan, I strongly believe that we should focus more on the issues that is happening to our country, especially when it comes to the West Philippine Sea. And I strongly believe that there is a lot of issues that we should focus more and so that we can resolve a lot of problems happening in our society. And regarding with the impeachment of our Vice President, I believe it will be undergoing a process. And I strongly believe that if we focus more on improving our society, it will lead us to a progressive and better future. Because I strongly believe if we solve our problems, it is then true progress begins. That is all. Thank you.
Naging general na yung yung sagot niya no? Napunta sa West Philippine Sea mula sa impeachment. Tapos, pagdating dun sa may parte ng impeachment, Diyos ko, palakasin daw ang ating society. Yeah, that's right. Nagkalabo-labo na. Pinagpipilitan kasing mag-English. Tapos, hindi niya alam kung ano yung impeachment. Yun halatang hindi niya alam ano ang impeachment.
Thank you so much.
Ito yung kanina, si San Vicente.
One of the pressing issues today is indeed the case of our Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. And my stand on this issue is that the government should focus on pursuing this impeachment trial, because I believe that a leader must lead with integrity, honesty, and transparency. And I do think that our current Vice President Sara Duterte didn't show any of these characteristics. As a youth, I promote that we should be the future leaders of our community. We should vote for what is right, and we should stand against corruption. Thank you.
Yes. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga tao sa kanya. Siya po ay si Althea Claire Parroco ng San Vicente, so mutya ng Baragatan, Palawan. Siya ho ay, tanong nyo kanina, siya ba ay nanalo? Hindi ho. Siya po ay natalo. At yung sumagot ng ang tanong ay Quiapo, ang sagot ay Divisoria. Yun po yung nanalo, si Cuyo. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ang ano ba tumubo sa utak ng mga nagtanong dito? Ito pa yung nanalo, si Cuyo. Ito yun si Cuyo.
Focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial?
Low on 2025.
Pressing issues facing the Senate are urgent legislative function. Pressing your question, argue that the impeachment trial must proceed, as it is constitutional. The Senate focus.
But I do believe that
rather
leaders of this.
All right.
Ito.
Your question is, one of the pressing issues, some believe that the trial must proceed, as it is constitutionally, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
Okay.
So I
stand on the issues of the leaderships is yung mga...
First, hindi niya naintindihan yung tanong. May problema to sa comprehension. This is not about leadership. This is about accountability. That's why impeachment ang pinag-uusapan.
Mga batang walang kaalaman at nag-aaral lang po sa liblib na lugar. Dapat po bigyan natin sila ng pansin, lalo na ang edukasyon po, ang pag-asa, or ang education is a foundation of a strong nation. Kaya po naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Siya pa yung pinanalo, ha? Tama, sabi nyo nga, di ba? Alam na kung para saan, kung para kanino ang organizer. Yes, yan po yung nanalo. Mutya ng Cuyo. Diba? Ayan o. At ang panalo niya ay tumataginting na 1 milyong piso. Hindi po 1 million kisses, kung hindi po 1 million pesos. Ito hong magaling sumagot, si San Vicente, ay 750,000 pesos ang kanyang panalo. Grabe, no? Pati yata yung mga judges hindi nakakaintindi. O baka malamang mga DDS yung mga judges nito ng patimpalak na to. Anyway, talagang ganun. Pero sumikat naman ho. Dapat nga pasikatin natin to si San Vicente. Kasi magaling, 'di ba? Dapat ganyan ang mga kabataan. Dapat po ganun talaga. Alam natin, hindi lang po yung sa mga TikTok na yan, kundi alam ng karamihan sa atin yung mga nangyayari sa ating bayan para hindi po tayo natatanga. 'Di ba? Yung iba nga matatanda na, ang problema nila, matanda na si Digong, inaresto, 80 years old na. Ano ba pagkakaintindi nyo sa pag-aresto? Inaapi siya. Ha? Nakakataas po ba ng dugo? Totoo yan. Di ba? Yeah, that's correct. Matalino si Miss Vicente. Tsaka, kahit na nag-struggle sa English, kaya niyang, nakuha niyang bumalik dun sa poise, di ba? At na-handle niya naman ng maayos. So, nakalungkot nga All right, so